When you search for RTX 3090 Founders Edition, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find the real gems, you have to dig a little deeper. Let's uncover which ones are truly worth your investment. Product number 1, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 Founders Edition. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 Founders Edition is a powerhouse. Priced at $1,642.30, it caught my attention with its sleek design and promise of top-tier performance. If you're after unmatched graphics quality, this is worth a serious look. The 8704 CUDA cores mean exceptional rendering times, whether you're gaming or doing graphic-intensive work. Plus, its ability to handle 8K gaming is a huge draw for those wanting the latest in visual fidelity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you want to future-proof your setup or create high-quality content, this card has you covered. Now, some people complained about its price. Here's the thing though, while it's a significant investment for serious gamers or creators, the performance justifies the cost. It's not for everyone, but if you want the best, this is a solid contender. This is perfect for you if you're a hardcore gamer or a professional content creator. Skip this one if you're just looking to play casual games on lower settings. For the performance you get, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the high price of the RTX 3090 bothered you, this next one might actually offer better value. Product number 2, ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3090 OC Edition. The ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3090 OC Edition is another beast in the lineup, priced at $2,021.30. The striking RGB lighting and advanced cooling system really caught my eye. If you're looking for not just performance but style, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this card apart is its factory overclocking. With a boost clock of 1940 MHz, it outperforms the standard RTX 3090, giving you those extra frames per second during intense gaming sessions. The Axial Tech fans and a central static pressure fan design make it run cooler and quieter, which is essential during long hours of use. Here's why this matters. Gaming should be an immersive experience, and a quieter card can help you stay focused without distractions. However, some users reported that it can be bulky, making it difficult to fit in smaller cases. I get it, if you have limited space, this could be a deal breaker. But if you have a mid to large tower case, you shouldn't have any issues. This is perfect for you if you want top performance with a stylish look. Skip this one if your PC case can't accommodate larger GPUs. For those who want a mix of performance and aesthetics, the investment is definitely worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for cooling performance. Product number 3, VIPERA NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 Founders Edition. Now we have the VIPERA NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 Founders Edition, priced at $4,295.24. It's a hefty investment, but the specs are jaw-dropping. If you want the absolute best that money can buy, this might be what you're after. This means you can expect stunning visuals in the latest titles and even better performance in creative tasks like 3D rendering. The design also features a more efficient cooling system, which helps maintain performance without overheating. Here's why this matters. In demanding situations, maintaining a cool temperature is key to ensuring longevity and stability in your card. That said, the price is a major drawback for many. It's really only for those who can afford to throw down that much cash. If you're not in the high-end gaming or professional content creation market, then it could feel like overkill. This is perfect for you if you're a professional gamer or 3D artist looking for the ultimate edge. Skip this one if you have a limited budget or don't need the latest and greatest. If you can swing it, it's a worthy investment for premium performance. Now, if the price of the RTX 4090 shocked you, the next one might just surprise you with its performance at a lower cost. Product number 4, GeForce RTX 5080 Founders Edition. Finally, we have the GeForce RTX 5080 Founders Edition, although it's hard to pin down the exact pricing right now. The buzz around this card is palpable and it's been selling quickly. If you want something cutting edge, this is worth keeping an eye on. While we don't have all the specs yet, the rumored features include enhanced AI-driven performance and better energy efficiency. This means you can expect more power without the extra heat. Here's why this matters. As games and applications get more demanding, having a card that can keep up without overheating is crucial. Some users are concerned about the availability and lack of reviews at this point. I'll be real with you, it's a bit of a gamble if you're looking to buy right now, but if you can wait, it might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want the latest technology and can be patient. Skip this one if you need something reliable right now. If it lives up to the hype, it could be a monumental value in the long run. Alright, that rounds up our top picks. But let's wrap this up with a quick comparison. So there you have it, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 Founders Edition for top-notch performance, the ASUS ROG Strix for style and cooling, the VIPERA RTX 4090 for those wanting the absolute best, and the upcoming RTX 5080 for cutting-edge tech. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose what fits your needs and budget best. Happy gaming!